Hello everyone, I am Said and welcome back to my channel Said Tech. In today's video, I'll talk about the iQOO 8 device. Yes friends, finally we got some kind of videos and all the images about the iQOO 8 device. So let's see what are the things till now we got to know about this device, what are the specifications, what processor, what type of display. All these details I'll try to talk about in this entire video. So first thing is that the iQOO 8 going to get launched on the August 4th. As you can see friends, August 4th, and the launch setup has been completely set up in one exhibition hall. So there, if you want, you can take a look as well until the August 2. That is what they did mention. So if you are in the Shanghai, you can take a look at the iQOO 8 device by holding the phone before the launch event as well. That's the one thing. But right now, of course, we are not in the Shanghai, but let's see what are the images what we got from the online. That is what I'm going to exactly show you in this video. What are the design, what is the type of display. So first, let's talk about the display. So this is how the display of the iQOO 8 will be looking. Let's translate what that chain is into English. Let's see what it says. So iQOO new flagship, as you can see. And this one says, let me translate, ordinary 1080 type. So that is what the translation means. So iQOO 8 display, and this is the ordinary display. And you can see the curved edges as well. So finally the iQOO 8 will be having the curved display. That's the one thing you should remember. And we do have the same kind of punch hole which is present here, which is in the middle punch hole, as you can see, middle punch hole cutout. And is another image. Let's see what this image says. Ordinary 8-bit model, and on the top it says, I think, let's see, iQOO new flagship. As you can see, iQOO new flagship. So that's what, maybe this is the ordinary 8-bit, and maybe they might introduce the 10-bit, I think so, in this kind of new flagship. Maybe, I think there's a rumor that Samsung E5 panel is used. That's another thing which I did get from the online regarding the display in terms of the, as you can see. And the display resolution can be the 1440 into 2080 resolution. I think it's a 3200 resolution, as you can see, 1440 into 3200 resolution, which is a quad resolution. That is what I think this iQOO 8 phone are gonna have. That's the one thing confirmation which we can definitely see. And next is the refresh rate. Refresh rate can be 120 Hz or slightly more than that. That is what I expected, but still, I think the 120 Hz will be the refresh rate for this display. So in terms of the design, we do have the bottom speaker and the Type-C port and normal mic and SIM port. And on the top there is always mic, and there's some gap here. In normal iQOO phone, there's only one mic available here on the top, but I'm not sure what is another gap meant in this image. And the iQOO 8 will be having a charging speed up to 160 watts. That's what the rumor says, and 120 watts or maybe 160 watts. That is what it can be there, 120 or 160. And the processor is of Snapdragon 888 888 Plus chipset, which is going to come in the iQOO 8 device. So 888 Plus, and the 160 watts charging we are getting, and quad HD resolution display we are getting, and maybe 120 Hz refresh rate, or maybe slightly more than the 120 Hz refresh rate. That's the kind of confirmation. And it will be available in the 12 GB RAM variant as well. And the phone might be coming with the different OS, as you can see friends, Origin OS. That is what this image says clearly, the iQOO device model number, as you can see exactly. And we are seeing 256 GB here, and 12 plays, I think 4 GB of expanded memory maybe. As you can see, 12 plays 4 GB of memory expansion can be available, and this is the resolution exactly, refresh rate. So friends, it's going to be really interesting on the iQOO 8 device. Definitely, if the phone get launched in India, the price would be really high. I think close to maybe 40,000, I guess 45,000. I'm not sure exactly, but for this kind of specifications and for this kind of display quality and everything, that is what the expectations are. So, and still we are not sure if this phone will get launched in India or not, and after how many months it will get launched. That is what the question is. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates and see in the next video friends. And the event is going to get launched in the China, in the Shanghai. That's the one thing. It's not, I don't think it's a global event. Maybe I think Chinese story version, I'm not sure exactly, but let's see whether this phone will get launched in India or not. So thank you for watching this video friends. Let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this iQOO 8 device, and see in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.